Hey, it's Dustin Oldfather from the Oldfather Group of Compass Real Estate. We're here today at 605 Sandy Hill Trail in beautiful Camden, Delaware. What people love about Camden, Delaware is a quieter community. You're conveniently located to both the Delaware beaches as well as Wilmington. This home is 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, has an oversized home site that actually has a pond view from the front, and it's got a full in-ground pool. Let's go take a look. This home has a very versatile floor plan. As soon as you come in, you'll notice the red cherry hardwood into the formal dining room. You have a flex room, which also could be used as an office. We enter into the great room with a fireplace, stairs to the second level. The kitchen has a number of upgrades that you wouldn't notice at first glance. You have a KitchenAid refrigerator as well as GE profile appliances. You have a gas range as well as granite countertops, upgraded cabinetry, and beautiful pendant lighting. As you walk out of the eat-in kitchen, you come to a synthetic deck on the rear of the property, which is going to have a nice long life. We have some stones that take you out to the concrete surround on the beautiful in-ground pool. The property is fully fenced in as well, which gives you some privacy and offers a great backdrop for landscaping in the future. Upstairs, you'll find the spacious primary bedroom, which features a double-door entry, raised ceilings, and 2 walk-in closets. The ensuite bathroom boasts a large soaking tub and a separate walk-in shower. There are 3 additional large bedrooms upstairs, 2 of which feature large walk-in closets, providing ample space for storage. The basement comes equipped with rough-ins for a half bath, allowing you to create a guest suite, recreational area, or any other space that complements your lifestyle. Thanks so much for visiting with us today at 605 Sandy Hill Trail here in beautiful Camden, Delaware. Give me a call or send me a message so we can get your bid in right away.